What's up everybody, Starsky back here with another video. This one is a first impressions of the DJI Pocket 2 creator mode edition. Disclaimer though, I shot the original first impressions kind of unboxing product shots a while ago, and when I started recording basically this, I realized I never put the camera back on regular recording. So everything, after looking at all the footage, everything was basically all slow motion and the audio didn't record. Now with that being said, I'm re-recording all of my talking points about the DJI Pocket 2. The B-roll will be from that day I shot a while ago. Basically in that first impressions video, I was talking about how I was gonna use this camera on my trip to Seattle, which I did. I vlogged probably 95% of the trip on this camera here, and that is coming up soon. So go ahead and like this video. Let me know down in the comments if you're excited for that vlog. Anyway, this is the first impressions DJI Pocket 2. Run that B-roll, let's go. Basically my first impressions of the camera itself, very small, smaller than your regular, let me get this here, it's way smaller than the iPhone Pro 12. I say lengthwise it's kind of about the same, but the fact that it beats having to hold the phone like this, or to have the regular camera pointing at you while vlogging, very uncomfortable. This also beats vlogging with the GH5, which I used in the previous vlog. It beats having the big lens on it, microphone on the top, Gorilla Pod on the bottom. So it's very more portable, I guess you can say. You can whip it out and start recording without being, so noticeable. The tracking is great. I mean, you guys could tell right now, it's kind of, tracking me. See that there. The creator combo comes with the lav mic with the dead cat. I'm not wearing that now because obviously I'm in the car. It has internal recording, so it does have like its own microphone that records. It comes with a little mini tripod. It comes with a carrying case that holds, or that houses everything here. See, and that's one of the problems, or I guess complaints that I have with the carrying case. All the little, or at least the two plugs that it comes with to be able to put in your phone, this is one of them, is the iPhone one, fall out like super easily. As you can see us just waving it around, it doesn't really hold it in place too well. You can kind of see it holds it in that way. Now this is the wide lens that it comes with, so you can see the wide lens. Put that on. I mean, just from looking at the picture, it doesn't really change much, but obviously you can tell there's a little bit more wide. The shot obviously gets a little bit wider than what it is without the lens. It is magnetized, so that's cool. It stays on the gimbal. Now, everything that it comes with in the creator combo is gonna be listed down in the description. Features on this camera: 4K recording, 24 frames per second. It does have slow-mo, has time lapse, and it does take pictures. I took some pictures in Seattle. I think it was just bad on my part. Didn't know that it takes there's a little bit of lag when you click to take the picture, so I probably moved a little bit and made the pictures come out blurry. I thought it was like just a quicker shutter. So if you guys do decide to get this and take pictures with it, there's a little bit of lag when you press the button to take the picture. The time-lapse feature is pretty great. I used it a little bit on the day that I originally recorded the first impressions video for this camera. Works pretty well, definitely works pretty well. I definitely want to use that a little bit more. I didn't get to use much of it in Seattle, but it does work pretty well. But my first impressions, after traveling with it in Seattle, I definitely love the portability. I was able to just put it in my my sling bag and record while at the airport a little bit, on the plane. And like I said, it beats having the big setup with the GH5. Honestly, this is all I got for now for first impressions. Again, the Seattle vlog shot basically all on this camera is coming soon. I'm almost finished with that, so be on the lookout for that. Let me know again in the comments if you guys are excited for that. Make sure you like this video, subscribe. It helps me a lot getting started with this whole YouTube thing, so all the love is appreciated. This is Starsky, we out. Thanks for watching. Bye.